Maneuverability is the ability of an aircraft to perform various maneuvers with precision and agility. Fighter jets and aerobatic planes prioritize maneuverability to execute sharp turns, evasive maneuvers, and complex aerial stunts. In pursuit of increased maneuverability, designers may sacrifice some aspects of stability, particularly longitudinal stability. This sacrifice allows for quicker responses to pilot inputs and more agile handling characteristics. However, reducing longitudinal stability can make an aircraft more prone to pitch oscillations or even instability if not carefully managed.